In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dynamic dropdown in Airtable. A dynamic dropdown in Airtable is simply a field that pulls its options from another table, so the list stays up to date automatically as that source table changes. It's perfect for things like selecting a client from a client's table, choosing a product from a products table, or linking tasks to projects. Start by opening Airtable in your browser and signing in. From your workspace, open the base where you want this dropdown to live. Then open the table where you want users to make a selection. Along the top of your table, add a new field by clicking the plus sign next to your existing columns. This opens the field type selector. Choose standard fields to see the common options. From that menu, select Link to another record. This is the key. A linked record field creates that dynamic, always current dropdown by referencing records from another table in your base. When prompted, choose the table you want to link to. This is the table that will provide the list of selectable records. Think carefully here. Whatever lives in that table will become the options your users see. If your table has a clear primary field, like a name or a code, that's what will appear in the dropdown by default. You'll see settings organized into general and advanced. In general, give the field a clear name so teammates instantly understand what they're selecting. Decide whether you want to allow linking to multiple records or just one. Single selection keeps the dropdown tidy, while multiple selection is great when a record can relate to several items. In advanced, review behavior preferences that control how linking works in your base. These settings help you keep data consistent and make the field behave the way your workflow expects. When everything looks good, create the field to add it to your table. Next, you may be asked to choose which field to display from the linked table, or you can skip this and use the default. Displaying a meaningful field, like a title or SKU, makes the dropdown easier to scan. Now test it. Click into the new column in any row, open the dropdown, and select a record from the linked table. You'll see the selection appear instantly. From now on, any new record added to the source table will automatically show up in this dropdown, keeping your list accurate without manual updates. That's it. You've built a clean, reliable, dynamic dropdown using link to another record, giving your base a powerful way to stay organized and in sync.